especially for cross-section. So I have today 2 questions with cross-section, 2 questions for cross-section, and 1 question for cylindrical shell. So they asked me to do here and there, question, but I add 2 for cross-section. This question, you can find it in our book, 6.1, by the way. Question number, I keep the number 11, it's not mean the 11th. That's mean in our book, the question will be 11. Find the volume of the given shape as you see, but they say here we have a hint. Consider slice perpendicular to one of the linked edge. So what I will do it here, I will make this. I will take this x-axis, and this is y-axis. So for me, this will be my x-axis, almost. So this, it's a 5. This is y-axis, which is 3. So this line will be like this. Then the 4 should be here. We can make the 4 like this. Sorry. My 4 will be something like this. Good. We have straight line at least. This 5 again, I'll delete it from here. So as a point, this would be 5 and a 0. As a point, this will be 5 and 3. This is 3. There's another axis here, by the way, this axis, y-axis, z-axis, sorry. This point, it's a 4, I think, yes, 4. So this point will be, x will be 5, and 0, and 4. Or I can name this x and y, make it 4. Easier to understand it. This, by the way, x and y, this is x and y. So this will be x and z, sorry. Okay, so my cross section will be again something like this. So it's clear that I have a rectangle here, a rectangle here. Volume, V equal the integration. We use cross section here, cross section method. The integration on x-axis. So my start point clear for 0, the end point is 5. So my integration will be from 0 to 5. Now I have my cross section, it's a right triangle. The highest, some of you will say 3, but it's a 3 here. Here it's 2, here it's 1, here it's 0. So my highest, it's on this line. Point on this line. What's the name of this line? We should find the equation for this line. How? 5 and 3. That's mean m equal 3 minus 0 divide 5 minus 0, which means 3 over 5. So y minus 0 equals 3 over 5, x minus 0. So y equals 3 over 5, x. So as you see, the highest here, it's 3 over 5, x. So I will come here, since my angle here is 90, clear from the graph. So half base time highest, dx. This is the base, this is the highest. 0 to 5, half the base, I will find it now. Already I find the highest as 3 over 5 x dx. Now this another straight line, this line on y-axis. this line, so the pace will be from here to here. The pace will be from here to here, the pace from here to here. The highest pace I have it 4. So this point will be for x 5 and for y 4. So that's mean 5 and 4. This again 0 and 0. So slope equal 4 minus 0 divide 5 minus 0. And this equation will be, by the way, it's not x, it's z equal z minus z1, which is 0. As you see this point, it's a 0, 0. Z equal 4 over 5 x minus 0. Again, you can write 0 here, you can write 0 here. So z equal 4 over 5 x. We replace it here as 4 over 5 x. One of my students asked me, we didn't understand the concept when we have 3 dimension. So this question, I hope you will understand it now. I believe when you see this video, my students, you will understand it. I hope that. So this will be 2, 4, 12, 6, up 6 over 5 times 5, 25. 0, 5, and x times x squared dx. Let me do that. Last time until I didn't do this with the calculator, but today I have the answer, only the answer, because this from book exercise, and the answer of this question should be, I think, 10. 6 divide 1 minute, it's a 6, and 25 integration from 0 to 5. And I'm not that much fast like you, my students. Here we have x squared and equal, and the good news that in the book manual solution, the answer is 10, and here we have 10 as a solution. Another question in the book, it's exercise number 7. Oh, I should write 7, then 11, but here I write 11, then 7, but no problem. No problem. 7, the pace of solid is the region bounded by the graph of y equal 3x and y equal 6. Y equal 6, easy to do it. This is y equal 6. And 3x is this one, straight line. X equals 0. So my region in yellow will be this one. Almost. This is the region. Okay, don't tell me the edge are out here. I don't thought it's so thick. That's why. Or maybe we can fix that by making the color white and remove these. You understand the most important thing is to understand the concept, not the graph, to be 100% accurate. Okay, we don't know until now what they want. Okay, the cross section perpendicular to the x-axis. This is x-axis. Perpendicular to the x-axis, that means will be perpendicular to 90 degrees. One time I have perpendicular to x-axis like this. One time I have rectangle, so one more time cross section. And we have v equal the integration from a to p, a of x dx equal the integration on x. This is 0 clear. This one, I don't know, but make them equal 3x equal 6, very easy. X equal 2, so this is x equal 2. And y equals 6, by the way, here it's very clear, this one. So from 0 to 2, rectangles, that may mean I would have a rectangle here. Raise this up, raise up like this. Okay, rectangle, straight, straight, and here rectangle. I know I'm not excellent in 3-dimension, but I hope that you will understand how we can make rectangles. With rectangles, we have x times y all the time. Any rectangle in math, if I make it like this to be closer to my graph here, this will be x, this will be y. The distance x, it's from here to here, and I prefer not X and Y. And now you will start saying X, Y problem. Yes, they are problem. This will be length, this will be width, or the opposite, width, length. No, no problem. Okay, so here we have the area, it's equal, A equal LW. Very easy. The problem, how to find length, how to find the height. The height, they tell us it's 10, so I will write 10 time, so here 10. The width, it's the distance from here to here. So it's a 6 minus 3x. 6 minus 3x dx. It's a very easy question. I thought it's harder. Oh, we have B. Maybe B it's harder. Let us see now one more time. I have the answer 60. I told you these are from the book, so the answer are exist with me, but I'm not sure. I should check. I trust my answer, but you know, sometimes anyone can make a mistake. Open brackets, 6 minus 3x, close the brackets, equal, good work, 60. Okay, to have space here, this was A, this will be B. B rectangles again, but parameter equal 20. What's this mean? It's the same graph, but we have two, here we can write, I think, 2L plus 2W equal 20. So V equal the integration from 0 to 2, the same question. So here we have something different, dx. And until the answer from the book, it's 20. We should get it as 20. What should I write here? This one, no change of it. You see the width, it's the same, 6 minus a 3x. But we don't have a highest. They tell us that this plus this equal 20. If I divide on 2 and 2 and 2, the answer will be L plus W equals 10. That means this plus this equal to 10. This one I know it. This one I don't know, so I will keep it like Y. So here we can write 6 minus 3x plus y equal 10. Flip this to the other one, y equal 10 minus 6 plus 3x, so y equal 10, it's a 4, plus a 3x. So we can find the relation between x and y. This one here, it's a 6 minus a 3x. This is y. We know x plus y, or L plus W, this is L, this W. The addition between them 10. You say 20 here, but it's double the parameter. So only come here and write 4 plus 3x. You will compare this and this say, what is the 10? The 10 was the highest, but now they say the parameter, all of it 20, so we find the equation. It's not an easy question. Sorry for that. I can use the previous integration, by the way, so this will be a little bit faster. Delete, come on, delete, and 0, 2, it's the same things. 6 minus a 3x is the same thing, so new brackets, and I will write 4 plus 3x, 3x. I should prepare myself better next time. 36 is the answer. Is the answer 36? I think there is something wrong here. Why there's something wrong? Or maybe it's, I missed something. 36 here. I got as answer 36. Maybe I'm read it from the book, not the correct one. Sorry. There's something wrong. Where is the book? Did I write something wrong in the book? Maybe I should repeat the video of this 1014, maybe. 6.1 and question 7. Oh, it's 36. How I write? 20 from where I bring the 20, I don't know. So 36. Good news. Can I share this again? Okay, I thought the answer is wrong. I don't know why I write on the paper 20 by a mistake. The answer is 36, the correct answer. 36 until the book say 36. I believe that good, but the video will be a little bit long this time. Sorry for that. Now we have a question, cylindrical shell, graph. Okay, and we say y equal x square, almost. X plus 2, that means 2 step up, and the shape almost like this. Okay, first of all, I should find this point and this point. This is the first step all the time. X plus 2 equal x square. X square minus x minus 2 equal to 0. On any side, no problem. X minus 2, x plus 1 equal to 0. From here, x equal 2. From here, x equal minus 1. So this point minus 1, this point 2, my area would make it. Okay, we can pick a yellow color from here and complete the rest of it. I think it's clear, no need to say anything, it's 100% clear. Now this and this, the revolving will be about the line x equal to. X equal to, that means this is the line. Don't tell me that it's, I will take it a little bit to the right. There are some students who want everything to be in his place. Okay. So the revolving about this line will be like this. So I believe all the time with revolving, we prefer to use two function quotient method, but we have a problem. Should be separate this, then this function from left, this function is the same function from left and right. Yes, here we have two different function, but here we have the same function. So I believe to solve OA, we cannot use washer method. So the washer method, it's eliminated. So we should use what? Cylindrical shell method. Okay, cylindrical shell method. This will be my radius from here to here. When I make the revolving, this is the radius. So this will be revolved like this. And this will be my height. So we know that with cylindrical shell method, first thing we write about, it's like y-axis. So that's mean my v will be the integration, and here dx, you know, with cylindrical, y-axis dx. My x, it's from -1 to 2, the start point here, the end point, we find them here, by the way. And we say 2 by r of x, then h of x, we don't use it, h of x. The highest. It's very easy to know the highest. It's this minus this, very easy, yeah. Here or here or here. So this will be the integration from -1 to 2 to by the value of r of x, then the h of x. What's the h of x? We say this function is x plus 2. This function is x squared. So upper minus lower will be x plus 2 minus x squared dx. Now the radius. The radius, maybe some of you will believe that it's 2 plus 1. No, start point here will be, this is my start point of the radius. This is, and here it's a 3, not -1. So when I substitute 2, this is very important. When I substitute 2, I got 3. When I substitute 1, I got 1. When I substitute 0, I get 2. When I substitute -1, I get 3 as radius. What's this mean? This mean x plus 2? No. The 1 will give me 1. That's mean r equal 2 minus x. When I substitute 2, the answer should be 0. Come on, what I did here. When I substitute 2 here, the answer should be 0, the radius 0. When I substitute 1, the answer will be 1. When I substitute 0, the answer will be 2. When I substitute -1, the answer will be 3. So I believe it's 2 minus x. Yes, 2 minus 2, 0. 2 minus 1, 1. 2 minus 0, 2. Minus 1 will be plus, then 3. So here, 2 minus x. We say this all the time, x plus 2, x minus 1, x minus 2, etc. By outside, the integration from -1 to 2, 2 minus x, x plus 2 minus x squared dx. This question have an answer of 27/2. Why? But I told you that I could check the answer by calculator. Integration, and down we have -1, up we have 2, here 2 open brackets, 2 minus x, close the brackets, open another brackets, x minus, no, plus 2 minus x and make x squared, close the brackets, equal 27/2, and the y outside. What's happened here? Okay, so the answer is correct. B, revolving about the line x equal -1. So the revolving will be like this. And no need to solve this question. If revolving in this side or on that side, it's the same piece, same revolving. So the answer will be match with the same integration. So B, the volume equal the integration from -1 to 2, 2 by 2 minus x, x plus 2 minus x squared dx, and the answer will be 27/2 pi. This ridiculous question, I don't know what they had, what this be. C, x, e, x-axis. X-axis, that's mean I have something like this, and -1 and 2, revolving about x-axis. It's mean what x-axis? It's mean Washer method. V equal the integration from -1 to 1 by upper square minus lower square dx. The upper function, we have it, this is x plus 2, this is x square, so x plus 2 square, x square. This one in the calculator, and the answer should be 27/5. Here better, 72, sorry, over 5 by, let me check if the answer correct or not. The integration from -1 to 2, this would be wrong answer if I keep it like that. -1 2. I would not write the by, you know that. X plus 2 square minus open brackets x square, close the brackets, square again, close the big brackets, and equal 72/5. Then add the by. The answer is completely correct. Good work. Now the last question, and we don't have a lot of space here, but that's fine because the graph will be the same. This line should be a little bit up, it's not. About what? D about what? D about y equal 4. Y equal 4. Is this 0.4 or is 0.2? As x substitute 2, the answer will be what? When we substitute 2 here, yes, 4, this point would be 4. So that's mean like this, y equal 4, and the revolving in green color maybe will be here. Like x, y equal 4. So this will be the upper, this will be the lower. Clear. Since they're revolving like this, it's like the x washer method again. V equal the integration from, it's like on y-axis, on x-axis. So my x, it's from -1 to 2. And we have pi, and we have r capital square of x minus r small square of x dx, which means the integration from -1 to 1, from -1 to 2 by outside, and r capital this function. No, this from here to here, we say that in our class, from here to here, it's root of x. So this will be 4 minus x square, sorry, square minus this one will be 4 minus the other function x plus 2 square. Don't forget it's square here. Now the answer should be 108 divide 5 by. That's what I write it about the answer, but let me use the calculator one more time. We can use the previous one. The integration -1 to 2. Inside I have 4 minus x square close square, then minus open brackets 4 minus 2 will be 2 minus x close square, then the answer, one correct answer. Thank you. See you next time, inshallah.